Hello class, I wanted to introduce myself. I'm Professor Vanessa Strodel-Call. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about me so you could get to know me a little bit better. I majored in English at the start of college and I never changed my major. I always loved English and it is still my passion. I have and still do work in the funeral industry. So it's been about 9 years working as a funeral director. I work way less now in that since my priority has shifted to teaching English at community colleges. I guess a little fun fact about me is I am obsessed with animals and particularly cats. So I have 4 cats of my own, and I also have a Labrador and a snake. So I guarantee you are going to see at least one of them in one of the videos throughout the semester or possibly in a Zoom office hour. So I just wanted to welcome you to this semester, and please feel free to reach out with any questions via the Canvas inbox or my email, which is on our syllabus as well as on our homepage. And then besides that, you can always visit me during our office hours, so just check the syllabus for that as well. I look forward to getting to know you all this semester.